Steps on adding a URL. A URL is a link on the internet to a website. In our English course, we will try to add an activity or resource for idioms. Next, we will click URL. After that, we will change or edit the name of the URL we wanted to add. For example, idioms video clip. After typing the name and external URL, we need to locate the video we wanted to upload in our topic. For example, I will copy the URL from YouTube with Ctrl+C as shortcut. Then after that, in external URL, I will click Ctrl+V to paste the URL. After adding the URL, I will now add some restriction in my given resource. So I will try to click Restrict Access and then add restriction. Next, click Activity Completion. So this restriction is done so that the students must view the previous activity I created. For example, discussion. You could also have an option not to put a restriction. So all you have to do is to delete. After that, click Activity Completion. Again, in Activity Completion, it is used so that the activity would be marked automatically when conditions are met. After that, save and return to course. As you observe, there is already a link for idioms video clip, and there is a restriction. As you click the given title, it will automatically go to YouTube entitled English Idioms. Now, if you will try to play it,